5 p.m., the silent alarm at Tri-State National Bank in River City was triggered, sending local police to the scene. The bank was held up by 2 masked gunmen who had fled the scene previous to the police department's arrival. We cannot say for certain, however, shots were reported fired and several civilian casualties have been rushed to Pike Memorial. Again, we can't say for certain. Operator, how may I direct your call?
Yes, please give me Pike Memorial.
All roads out of Pike County are currently being blocked by local and state police, and we are encouraging everyone. Pike County Memorial Hospital, this is Rebecca.
Yes, I need to know if Mary Bryson checked in the last couple hours. See, I dropped her off at Tri-State National.
Okay, sir, we still have an ambulance out at the site. I don't know if they've run incoming through the system yet. What was the name again?
It's Mary Bryson. It's B-R-I, it's S-O-N.
Yes, sir, a Mary Bryson was just checked in. Sir, do you happen to be friend or family?
Yeah, I'm a friend. Is she okay?
Sir, Mary is listed as one of the gunshot victims from Tri-State. She's just been rushed into emergency surgery. I'm sorry, but there is no more information listed.